Unpopular opinion. Just having a website doesn't mean people can actually find your business. I know, it sounds harsh, but stick with me. You could have the most beautiful website in the world, but if your online presence isn't dialed in, it's like running a business in witness protection. Today, I'm gonna walk you through how to check if people can find you online, fix the most common visibility mistakes, and start showing up where your customers are actually looking. And by the end of the video, you will have a clear list of fixes you can start using today. As you watch this video, here's a stat I want you to remember. 90% of customers look online before they ever call a local business. Let that sink in for a second. Do you feel that in your bones? I do. So if you're not showing up in search results, on Google Maps, or in key directories, heck, even AI search, you are basically invisible. And by the way, we have a whole video on AI search. You can watch that here. And even if you do show up but have no reviews, a half-filled profile, a website from the 90s, customers will scroll on by. Let's talk about what's actually hurting your visibility. There are a few common culprits. First up, it's outdated or incomplete listings. Your info needs to be the same everywhere. Google, Yelp, Facebook, even those old directories you forgot about. If your hours or phone numbers don't match across platforms, search engines won't trust you and won't show you. Next is weak or missing reviews. That is a red flag for today's customers. Bad reviews with no response, that's actually even worse. Reviews are the online version of word of mouth, and without them, customers will move on. And so will your revenue. Do you have an inconsistent business identity? Are you Ed's Feed and Seed on Facebook, Ed's Feed and Seed LLC on Google, and something totally different on Instagram? Inconsistent branding makes your business look disorganized and untrustworthy. It can also just confuse your customers. Next, you have no search strategy. Hoping people stumble onto your website is not a strategy, it's wishful thinking. No keywords, no updates, broken links. That's a fast pass to invisibility. And lastly, dead or disconnected social media. If your last post was during the 2020 Super Bowl, we've got a problem. Dead social profiles make people think you're out of business. Okay, here's the fix, and something that you can do right now for free. Go to ChatGPT and copy and paste this exact prompt. I'll paste it down below. Act as a local SEO expert. Analyze my business for digital visibility based on my website, insert your website, and give me 5 specific fixes to improve it. You'd be surprised what kind of insights you can get for $0. But if you want something even easier, less typing required, I've linked a free business assessment tool down below. It gives you a digital health score in about 2 minutes. You plug in your info and it shows you exactly where you're doing well and, well, where you're invisible. The link's down in the description if you want to check it out. So, let's say you ran the assessment or tried the ChatGPT prompt, and now you've got a laundry list of issues. Where do you even start? First, website engagement. First question, is your website actually set up to turn visitors into paying customers? Because let's be real, a pretty website that doesn't convert is just an expensive digital business card. One of the easiest ways to fix that, add a live chat. People love being able to message instead of picking up the phone, especially during off hours. And make sure your booking forms and contact info are ridiculously easy to find. I am talking front and center, especially on mobile. If someone has to dig for your address or phone number, they are already gone. And here's a pro tip. When it comes to booking, one book now button is not enough. That call to action should be on every page, sometimes in multiple places. Do not make people search for it. Make it easy for them to say yes. Next up, check your site's performance. A slow-loading website is like a storefront with a broken door. No one is waiting around. So ask yourself, when's the last time your website was updated? Does it load fast? Does it actually look good on a phone? Because more than 60% of local searches happen on phones. And if your site looks like a mess or takes forever to load, your business is turning away more than half of its potential customers. Here's how to fix it. Use a free tool like Google's Page Speed Insight. Just plug in your URL and it'll show you exactly what's slowing your site down and how to speed it up. It could be something as simple as compressing large images or removing clunky plugins. Next up, social media. Are your social profiles actually connected to your site? And more importantly, are they alive? I'm not talking about that holiday graphic you posted last December. I mean active. Are you posting regularly? Are your profiles on brand? Are you driving people back to your site in a meaningful way? And please, update your bio links. Whether you use a tool like Linktree or just go straight to your services page, give people a clear next step when they land on your profile. Next up, focus on SEO. This is search engine optimization. The big question here is, can Google actually read your site? Broken links, missing meta descriptions, and vague page titles can all hold you back. Meta descriptions are those short snippets that show up under your site's title in search results. That gives potential customers a quick snapshot of what you offer, and a good one can actually boost clicks. If you're stuck writing one, try this prompt in ChatGPT. Act as an SEO expert. Write a clear, concise meta description for my business website, about 150 to 160 characters, including my main services and location. Here's info about my business, then insert all your details. Make it keyword friendly and engaging. Then you can add that meta description to your site. That's usually in your SEO plugin or site settings. And don't forget to localize. Instead of just saying, we offer HVAC services, say, we offer HVAC services in Phoenix, Arizona. Put that right on your homepage and service pages. That small tweak helps both search engines and customers understand what you do and where. Finally, don't forget your reputation. People need to find you and trust what they see. Start by claiming and optimizing your Google Business profile. Just that one step can seriously boost local visibility. Next, make asking for reviews part of your routine. Don't leave it to chance. Request them after every job. And when those reviews come in, respond to all of them, especially the negative ones. It shows you care and that you're genuinely engaged. So, if you've been wondering, can people actually find my business online? Now you got a way to find out. You can click the link below for the free business assessment that I mentioned. Okie dokie, recap time. Visibility, it's everything. If people can't find you online, they can't hire you. The biggest visibility killers: inconsistent listings, bad SEO, and no reviews. You don't need a consultant to diagnose it, you just need the right tools. And once you know what's broken, focus on fixing the parts that make the biggest difference. Your website's engagement and speed, your social media connection, and your SEO foundation, plus your online reputation. This isn't just marketing fluff, I promise. It's how people decide whether or not to do business with you before they ever even pick up the phone. Your future customers are already searching, so make sure that they can find you. If this helped you out, hit subscribe and tap the bell. And before you go, do me a favor, Google your own business and let me know what you see.